Hey Grant Cousins, today I'm very excited to share this grant with you. We have a brand new $15,000 grant to talk about, so keep watching to learn more.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
This grant is called the Stacy Snacks Grant. You know, the Stacy Pita chips? Yeah, that company is giving out money. This grant was created to help bridge the funding gap for women founders. The Stacy Rise Project has been connecting and empowering small business owners for years. However, Stacy Pita chips wasn't always a household name. Marketing mentorship and monetary support helped this brand rise from a humble sandwich cart to a nation supermarket. And it's these same resources that today entrepreneurs need to succeed now more than ever. So Stacy has decided to offer 10 women who is in their journey to make their dreams a reality with the latest iteration of the Rise Project. To be eligible for this grant, the business you're applying for must be at least 50% women founded or currently 50% women owned, and you must be a women founder or a women co-founder of the business. Your business must be a for-profit US-based business selling a consumer packaged good. You must have at least $25,000 and no more than $1 million in annualized sales. You must be willing to participate in a virtual mentorship, and you must not be a part of an accelerator program at the time of participation. This grant deadline is October 21st, 2022 at 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This grant application is open to United States residents and Canadian residents. Canadian requirements and rewards are different, so I will leave the link for the Canada residents to apply in the description below. If selected, winners will receive a following $15,000 grant in 4 months of 201 PepsiCo executive mentorship, and your business will have increased visibility through the Stacy brand platform. You'll be a part of a peer network with other women entrepreneurs, and you'll have a spotlight feature on foundedbyher.org business directory. Grant recipients will be notified by email and publicly in the week of November 9th, 2022. The ideal candidate for this grant is a woman founder in the consumer packaged goods industry. You are purpose driven, you know you have an incredible product, and you are ready to invest in the most important part of your business, yourself. So let's go over the application that you will need to submit in order to win this grant. The first part of the application is asking about your contact information, your social media presence, and how you identify yourself. The second part of the application is asking you to tell more about yourself regarding your name, gender, ethnicity, and age range. The third part of the application is asking you what you do. Here is where you want to put your business name, business address, business EIN, business social media, and business revenue. In the third part of the application, they would like to know more about your products and how they are distributed. They also ask additional 6 questions, so let's go over them. Number 1 says, tell us more about you. Why did you become a small business owner? What is the origin story of your business? So this is where you want to mention your passion and your dedication to your business, in which made you start your business. Number 2 asks, who is your target audience? What market need or opportunity have you identified? And how does your product meet that need? This is where you want to mention your intended target audience and describe how your product solves your target audience problem. Did you identify a problem in your target audience, and has it been solved with your product? If so, I would share some numbers or a page link with testimonials from your product. Number 3, please elaborate on how you intend to use this grant funding. This is where you want to mention how you would want to use the funds. For example, if you want to use $5,000 for marketing, $5,000 for hiring more employees, and $5,000 for inventory, you should be very specific in your plan and how you intend to use this grant. Number 4 asks, how would this grant and mentorship opportunity accelerate your business and help you achieve your business goals? This is where you want to mention your 1-year goal, your 3-year goal and your 5-year goal with your business, and how you use this grant in the mentorship to go towards those goals. Number 5 asks, how does your business connect with and support your community? This is where you want to explain how your community is involved and explain how you want your community to be involved. If you have not launched your business off the ground yet, you just want to explain what it would look like if this grant were awarded to you and how this will look for you and your business. Number 6 asks, what else would you like us to know about you or your business that we haven't asked? This is where you want to mention any help you need with your business and or good information about your business, such as any impact, your goals you have for your business, and more. And so that's it. Then you'll press submit and the recipients will be notified in the week of January 4th, 2023. The link to this grant application will be linked below. If you have any additional questions, please leave them down below. And if you do not qualify, you know what to do. Share this video with someone who does. If you like these type of videos, please leave this video a thumbs up, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you all. Let me know in the comment section if this grant is worth your time and if you will check this one out. And make sure to check out more recent grants at designersoapbox.com/grants so that you can find out more recent grants that's available to you. Make sure to click the link down in the description box or pin comments to get to there. And I see you guys in the next one. Let's get it. Bye.